Hello and welcome to our channel Financial Delivery Exclusive Investment Consulting. Today we're gonna talk about American market and commodities. First, let me begin with our American portfolio. You can follow by calling the phone which you can see now. Just follow us. We offer the service for American. I am in Russia, but I have a partner in America, in Chicago. We have a very big experience in investing in the American market. So you can see that the graph of our FT Invest index, FT Invest 11 index, it's our American portfolio blue line, and the red line it's the S&P 500. So very easy to follow. We will deliver you our portfolio in the Telegram channel. So once we made changes, you see the message in your phone or your computer, and you can do the same. Just follow us. This is very easy to do. So we are down maybe close to 1% during this week, but we were in the defense positions, and we're still in the defense position in America, in Russia too, because of the technical situation in the stock we own. We sold some stocks too 2 days ago, and they were all down 7%, and another one is about 4%. So we were very successful. It was very successful technical selling. So we use the same methods of assessments as use Warren Buffett, but Warren Buffett didn't use technical analysis as we do. So it's much better for small money to use technical analysis. For small money of all of us, Warren Buffett can sell everything like we, because he will cause a market movement because of his big share. He should sold something very carefully. We can sell everything just in seconds. So just follow us. Maybe we will buy some shares in the next week. Situation in American market in a whole, I think it's very stable today. So look at the oil. Oil is now came through this blue line, and in my view, it can find this support here. It gone through it and then found the way up. You can see that if you think about technical analysis, there is a bottom in oil, and oil will grow from this point, in my view, and you can see this in this graph too. Let's look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading in some boundaries. You see two blue lines, one here, and the second one is up here. I'm not quite sure, but I think the cryptocurrency will find a way to will grow from this point. Maybe not, but we also have one share of cryptocurrency in our portfolio. In my view, cryptocurrency, you don't need to own Bitcoin or any other currency, but you need to own, you may buy a share of companies that, for example, do Bitcoin mining. It's very profitable now at this point of prices of cryptocurrency. Maybe it will go a little down, it's not a problem. So just follow us, you will see which company we recommend to you to buy, which shares of the company. We own this share in our portfolio now. So let's look at the gold. The gold has a head and shoulders model, which is very clear in my view. It wasn't clear a week before, but now it's very clear for me that gold could go down. Head and shoulders model is always a very dangerous one for market. So you shall not be in a gold shares too, in my view. But maybe it's just a technical situation, because all other thing, instead of this index of US dollar, nearly the same as in the previous weeks. You see that dollar index has found a bottom and formed a new bull model, came through this resistance, and maybe will grow further to these levels. This is not related with the movement of yield of American bonds. The technical situation is the same with bonds in America. Bonds are growing and yield is falling. It's very good for American shares, but what causes this? It's very hard to understand. What causes this movement, up movement of dollar index? Some money are going to America from the developed country, I don't know, Europe, maybe Japan, and this indicator shows us this. To the market, overall American market, we have S&P 500 near the top. There is no model. But the only thing I can say to you that it's not normal that people are still buying such a share as, I don't know, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. Their prices are so high, so there is no exclusion for that. In my view, all you should do is to sell this and buy some of our which we own. So just follow us. The technical situation in the Dow Jones nearly the same as it was 1 week and maybe 2 weeks before. So to the conclusion. In America, the situation in American market is quite stable. I don't expect any big movement from this. Maybe S&P 500 is in a top, maybe, but I don't expect a big movement. Maybe the situation will change, but now we think American market is quite stable. Thank you very much.